Hello everybody! Welcome back to another Recycled Crafts program with me, Miss Echo from the Walnut Street West Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own book, like a journal, or if you wanted to write a regular book or just a doodle book out of a paper bag. So by the end of this you will have a fully functioning book. Alright, let's get started. All you're going to need to make this book is a paper bag, a pair of scissors, and then whatever you want to use to decorate or write in your book. So what we're going to do is first, we're going to open the bag. So now we're going to cut down one of the creases like so. And we're going to cut off the whole bottom piece of this bag. So if you are not comfortable cutting, make sure that you have a parent with you or a guardian or an adult, whoever is around who does feel comfortable cutting and is able to do so. Let's see here. All right, we're going to go around the whole thing. Almost done with the cutting portion of this. Okay, so now we have one extra large piece of paper. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this much smaller. We're just going to fold it in half. Since we cut down one of the sides, it's already kind of creased in half. Exactly, so we're just going to cut down that line, the very middle, and now we have enough to make 2 books, but I'm just going to show you on one. So now we have this nice big piece of paper. What we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half as best we can. Alright, we fold it in half, and then we're going to take one piece of the top and fold it down, so that way the top piece of paper now fits directly against this fold. And we're going to flip it over, and we're going to do the same on this side. Alright, so now that we have our paper folded into 3s like this, 1, 2, 3. We're going to take it with the 2 folds at the bottom, or the top, I guess, either way, and we're going to fold it in half again. Just like that. So now when we open this back up, you can see that we have a crease going across the very middle, and then we also still have our other creases. So what we're going to do, we're going to fold it and kind of lay it open to look a little bit like a very pointy hat. And on the very middle of where we folded this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where this line is. I'm going to draw this line on both sides of where the middle crease is. Ta-da. Okay, so now we're going to cut right in the middle like that. Okay, so now we have this, looks kind of like a mouth. What we're going to do is we're going to take it and pull it apart and then push it down to create what this kind of looks like a fish, doesn't it? We're going to do this. So fold it down like this, and then we're going to crease the top so that it stays this sort of fish shape. And now all we do is we fold it all to one side. So I'm going to fold down towards me, and I'm going to flatten that out. And now we have these 3 pieces on this side. We're going to take this one and fold it towards us like that. And without any glue at all, you now have a book. So it's entirely up to you. If you want to create more pages in your book and you don't like seeing these middle bits, you can always cut along the top to either create more pages, or you could glue this together. But either way, if you don't have glue, this is how you can make your own little book. And then you can just decorate it however you want. Let's see. I will say, happy summer. There we go. And now you have your own book to start doodling in or writing in. Maybe you could write out a story for what you're doing this summer. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this craft, and see us next week for another recycled craft. Have a great day.